What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular auto auction video, man. You know how I go, man. We got a bunch of cars on a list here today. Some cool, some not as cool as the others, man. You know how I go. We may win some. Hey, you never know, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's check out what they got here today, man, shall we? We got a 09 Nissan Altima, 72,000 miles. Looks like they tried to paint the tail lights or whatever. I don't know if you can open the cars here or not. I don't think you could. Yeah, I don't think this is, I believe this is the auction where you can't open the cars, I remember. But we do got some tequila kickage here on the side, a whole lot of it. You guys remember when we had our Altima literally like this, our damage was pretty much identical to this, and we had some guys come out and freaking get that thing done literally at our apartment complex. So, you know, that was cool. But 72,000 miles, man, the little damage over there, you may be able to fix it and make some money out of it. Who knows, man? Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. All right, we don't want the Toyota Tacoma with a bad, says it's got a bad switch, radiator leak, asks for key to start. I'm cool, I got a truck already, but we're looking for something nice to flip, man, or something decent enough to flip. And it looks like these guys took a little bit of time because they cared to spray paint all the little plastic accessories. I don't know why, but at 180,000 miles on this Toyota, man, I am probably gonna pass on it. I don't think we can open the doors, of course, but they cut out the California plate. What the heck? They actually cut it out. I don't get it. I guess they wanted to prove they were from California. They didn't want no misunderstanding. But I guess it is what it is, man. We'll move it along. We don't want the Chevy Blazer. It does have 219,000 miles. It says it needs an ignition switch. Not that bad of a truck. I mean, it's pretty fair if you just need something to get around or something to haul a little bit of stuff here and there. That's cool. Got your little fake workbench in the back, but not my flavor. Not my flavor on the Dodge there either. What we got back here, man? PT Cruiser. Now this thing, we bought one of these for 325 bucks and sold it for like, I believe 1,000. It was like the same day type. So this one is, we're always going to keep our eyes out on this one. It's got 97,000 miles. These cars don't have the years on them, and they don't have a list for the cars right now. So I'm just freestyling it right now. But you guys get the picture. You can't open the car doors here. So you can't really check out the inside like you want to. But moving along though, got this little Dodge pickup here, 109,000 miles on it, the Dodge Dakota. Not sure of the year, not really interested. They got this minivan. It looks like they took this because a vehicle with flat tires, registration violation, stored on property, inoperable. So this thing has been sitting on an apartment site for the longest. Jeep, better you than me. We got a Nissan, 157,000 miles, 2007. Nothing really too crazy about it. I mean, it's pretty regular. May even drive pretty good here. It's a Sentra, missing a little tail light like glass on it, but other than that, no big deal. You got the freaking Army F-30s or whatever they call it. I forget. Military planes though. Them things gone. No reversed on the Grand Cherokee. We don't want that at 281,000 miles. We don't want this Mazda B2200. It's got some motorcycle parts, or some moped parts rather, in the back. May be able to win there, but I don't know. Better you than me. They don't really got much of nothing here at the front, at least. We got a Nissan Sentra here, 111,000 miles. Got some tequila kickage up here. The headlights are pretty damaged. You're gonna need a grill there. If you get this car for under 500 bucks, which I'm pretty sure you could, this may be a pretty decent flip. 111,000 miles. It is the special edition, if that matters. Inside is pretty fair. Definitely hot as heck in here. I don't see how it's cold out here, but it's hot in there. But all in all, pretty fair of a ride. I don't see any body damage or anything like that. So this one may be a pretty decent ride to check out, man. Let me know what you guys think about the Nissan Sentra in the comments below, dog. We got a Nissan Murano here. We got mixed match wheels all around, 141,000 miles. Beige interior. Definitely not my flavor. I mean, if it was like a brand newish type of look, but with all these different types of wheels and stuff, I'm gonna be cool on that, man. We got a bunch of cars here though. Let's see. Got that BM thing. I know y'all like riding for him, man. At 220,000 miles on this X3, I am gonna have to pass, brother. But I mean, hey, if you like it, I love it. 220,000 miles. I mean, it's an X5, but it is the older one, man. You see the tail lights, it still got the orange and stuff up in there. I ain't seen one of them in a BMW in a long time, man. So you'll see what's going on. We got a little Ford here. However, this thing is salvaged at 89,000 miles, man. I guess we can check it out really quick. Leather interior. I don't see any airbags or anything that's deployed, but this thing looks like it's been sitting for a while. It's got dirt caked up on the top up there. So I don't know if the insurance company just salvaged it out and was like, you guys keep it or what. But this back wheel back here, you may have some suspension problems in the back here. So I would just be aware of that. But the mileage is pretty fair, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Got a cool little Honda Civic, brand new headlights. So whoever car this was, man, they got it snatched while they was trying to get it right. I don't know the mileage on it. The mileage is unknown. But my first car, I mean, I guess it'll be pretty cool. We can take a quick look at the inside. I don't see anything that really stands out. I mean, hey, if they come and tell me you can't open the doors, then we gonna do that. But I think we just gonna open the doors on these joints. The last time I checked, and this was a skater's car, the Barracks. If you're a skater, you know about that. This one is a really, really clean Honda, man. So we'll see if this thing is running decent when it comes through the auction. Can probably look under. Got some oil and stuff. No big deal, at least when it's parked, but we'll have to see when you cut it on. What y'all thinking about it in the comments below. All right, got another Cadillac. Mileage unknown, leather interior, all four rims match. You can open the door?
I don't got the keys for this one yet, buddy.
But the other ones?
Yeah, the ones that got the cones on top, I don't got the keys yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. So they don't got the key for that one yet. They got to make the key. But I guess we can open the door, so that's a plus, man. They came to their senses. They like, we're only selling online now. This thing is whooped. We're only selling online now, but they got this BMW 5 Series. I believe this is a 535 in stock. However, they don't have the keys for it to start it up. But it does have some nice peanut butterish interior, which is pretty fair. I'm digging it. It does look really clean. Like, look at the interior. I love it. Nice color combo on this joint. Yeah, it is a 535. Pretty decent of a little BMW. So I don't know if they're gonna grab the keys for it or not. But you got a little Benz here, S430. This one is jacked up. As you see, it's around the steering wheel. Then you got the military planes flying high. All right, we got at least an 09 Cadillac CTS, 155,000 miles. The hood doesn't stay up by itself because they got this wood chalk right here. But 155,000 miles. Seats is whooped. Yeah, this thing is really whooped. I'm actually good on this thing, dog. The rims is pretty cool because they match. But other than that, man, I'm gonna have to give it back. No, it's cool. If it runs decent, which you probably wouldn't know at all. I mean, it's an online auction, so if you like it here, you better ask them to start it up and do all that stuff here. But I'm good right now. Not running. Bad engine on that one. We got a Honda Accord 2-door, 177,000 miles. This one seems like it may be a pretty decent ride, man. However, you got spider webs and stuff up here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So it has not been started or ran in a long time. 177,000 miles. It had a sticker, so I'm sure it's been sitting for a real long time now. I don't know what could be wrong with this car, but the body and everything seems intact, so I'm sure it's something internal, of course, but we'll just have to see. I don't know, man. What y'all think about it, though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a little security truck here, man. A little Chevy Colorado. Looks like 177,000 miles. Looks like it might have been the AAA car at one point. It looks like it might have been AAA or something. We can take a quick look at the inside. This thing is pretty dirty, man. Pretty whooped and worn. They was driving the heck out of this truck, using it as a work truck, so on and so forth. So we'll have to see. Not really my flavor. I mean, the color is pretty bright. You may be able to flip this thing, clean it up real nice and flip it, but I'm actually gonna be cool on it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below on a Chevy Colorado. Got the Malibu, 163,000 miles. Mileage is a little bit high for me. I don't know, man. Kind of not feeling this auction today. Like, I have not seen one car that I really be like interested in. What does this one say? Ask for key. It's salvage, 148,000 miles on the Infiniti. Yeah, they don't really have much of nothing here today. This thing is super whooped. I don't know what the heck they was doing. Then they tried to fix it. How many miles? 109,000 miles. Yeah, I'm gonna be good. The mileage is there, but it's just nothing worth it, to be honest. Got a little bug. Yeah, we really don't got much here today, y'all. So we'll just keep it pushing and see what happens. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We came to the local auction today. This auction is an online auction, so we'll have to check out online and see what these cars sold for. With that being said, man, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.